Good morning, student. Welcome to MSL English Grammar YouTube channel. Chapter 4 IT FITTER. Chapter this learning from precision measuring instruments. What is backlash in micrometer? You show this one is another one. Backlash is the lack of motion or lost motion of the spindles when the rotation of the thimble is changed in direction. That called a backlash of the micrometer. Next, second one. What is the minimum measurement size of an inside micrometer? Micrometer minimum measurement can take minimum start with 25 mm to this opening jaw is 25 mm opened. That standard that position minimum checker 25 mm that measurements only. Next, what are the use of dial test indicator? They are shown figure. The large parts, this is on dial, this is actually plunger or a magnetic base stand. Some more parts, please study carefully this one. The dial test indicator used for to check the parallelism of machining or round surfaces, to check the true rotations of round jobs, to compare dimensions of finished components. Compare finished components, unfinished component can be compared. Next, what is meant by the least count of vernier bevel protector? Least count means the smallest measurement can be measured, that instrument called a least count. The smallest measurement that can be obtained with vernier bevel protector called a least count. Minimum measurement taken. What is the use of depth micrometer? Is shown figure depth micrometer and their parts. Important one, this one. Depth micrometer is used to measure depth of holes. This one is the measuring bar. You measure one. This one is this depth of holes. This position will be measured how much this value, how much length of this value, 50 mm. That used for this groove is for inside this press. This top body can be hold, this one hold this top can, and measure the inside measurements. Depth of holes, slots, and reaches to the accuracy. This accuracy means this minimum measuring accuracy 0.0 mm or 0.001 mm inch, sorry, both. You asked in any question, you answer 0.01 mm accuracy of depth micrometer, you answer for next inches 0.001 inches. Dial test indicator are the precision instrument for checking measurements. Checking and measurements purpose. What are the two types of dial test indicators in commonly used? First one plunger type, second lever type. Is showing this one is a first one plunger type, second one is a lever type. This changes in levers. Some different types of applications. Why ratchet stop is attached on micrometer? This one is ratchet stop. Why attached this one? What is the work? What purpose attached in ratchet stop in micrometer? Ratchet stop is attached with the micrometer to measure accurate readings. Purpose for accurate reading, applying uniform pressure on the measurements. That indicates you checking on that time checking time. should stop equally fresher cal will be given in any jobs, any type of jobs. Faces irrespective of operation skill and strengths. What principle is employed in optical flats? What is optical flats? Refraction light. Which type of used optical flats? Reflection of lights. What are the advantage of Vernier caliper over a micrometer? More than advantage of micrometer for Vernier caliper. Why is Vernier caliper over a micrometer advantage? More advantage. Why? Micrometer can check only outside diameter. This one parts you check outside diameter only. This Vernier caliper used, this judge you check outside diameter. This one is used check inside diameter. This one is bar used for check depth of the holes. In many different types of different position of checking used for Vernier caliper. This purpose caliper is more advantage than micrometer. Vernier caliper is a multi-purpose instrument which is used to measure outside, inside, depth measurements, but micrometer is not a multi-purpose measurements. The different size of job can be measured with one Vernier caliper, but number of micrometer required for different size of jobs. Vernier caliper is easy for setup and taking measurements, but micrometer is not easy for setup and locking measurement because it works under the principle of nut and bolt, and feeling is more essential. The measurement can be taken more quickly with a Vernier caliper as compared to the micrometer. Next, a special type of micrometer is used for checking the special types. Thickness of seeds. Special types is need for checking in sheet metal. Special type micrometer need means measuring jaws or that material made of different materials because of checking a sheet metal. Normal Vernier caliper is another one, but specially used for checking sheet metal depths. Rolling mill micrometer used for rolling mill. Which one of the caliper used for checking sheet metal thickness? You answer rolling mill micrometer. Rolling mill micrometer. What meant by least count of Vernier caliper? Least count means minimum reading taken. Minimum can show reading. That called least count. A smallest measurement that can be obtained a Vernier caliper. Caliper is called least count. Vernier caliper are available within 0.02 mm. 0.02 mm least count. What is the Vernier caliper least count? You answer 0.02 mm. Counts in metric system. In case asked in British system, you told 0.001 in inches system. This is called British system. Mm called metric system. Which parts of micrometer help to maintain the uniform pressure while measuring? Which part is called? This one. You come to this ratchet stop is be called can maintain uniformly in pressure. Ratchet stop is the answer. What is a gear tooth Vernier caliper? Some Vernier caliper is some not grooves. This Vernier caliper is gear tooth. That Vernier caliper is called gear tooth. Why? Gear tooth Vernier caliper is made with vertical and horizontal scales. So movement can be take and at a times with this two scale. Oh, ये both are horizontal and vertical both measurement can take in even time, so in same time. It is used to measure the chorals, adenodum and choral choral thickness of a gear tooth within the accuracy. Same as a vernier caliper, where are you go same accuracy 0.02 mm, inches 0.001 inches. There are two types of log nut provided with micrometer. Name them. One is ring nut, one is lever type. Two types is that. How will you check the zero setting in the depth micrometer? The thimble is screwed down until the spindle touches bottom. That called a zero setting. Thank you.